Now let's start exercise 10.4. Question number 1 is two circles of radii 5 cm and 3 cm intersect at 2 points and distance between their centers is 4 cm. Find the length of the common chord. Two circles of radii 5 cm and 3 cm intersect each other at 2 points and distance between their centers is 4 cm. In this figure, there are two circles with center O and O dash with radii 5 cm and 3 cm respectively, and these two circles intersect at 2 points A and B. AB is the common chord and we are going to find length of this common chord. O is center of the circle with radii 5 cm. So OA is equal to 5 cm. OA is radius of larger circle. O dash is center of circle of radius 3 cm. So AO dash is equal to 3 cm. OO dash is distance between the centers of two circles of radii 5 cm and 3 cm. So OO dash is equal to 4 cm. Here we can observe that AO dash square plus OO dash square is equal to OA square, that is 3 square plus 4 square equal to 5 square. This implies 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. That means angle AO dash O, angle AO dash O is equal to 90 degrees. This Pythagorean triplet is verified for 3, 4 and 5. AO dash, OO dash and OA form a triangle AO dash O with angle AO dash O equal to 90 degrees. This means OO dash is perpendicular to common chord AB, and this implies that OO dash bisect the chord AB. OO dash is perpendicular drawn from the center O to the chord AB of circle of radius 5 cm. So that means OO dash bisect the chord AB. That is AO dash is equal to BO dash, and therefore AB, length of the common chord, is equal to 2 into AO dash, which is equal to 2 into 3 centimeter is equal to 6 centimeter, and this is the length of the common chord AB in this figure. Question number 2. If two equal chords of a circle intersect within the circle, prove that the segments of one chord are correspondingly equal to segments of the other chord. In this figure, two equal chords AB and CD intersect within the circle at point E, and we have to prove that the segments of one chord, that is segments of chord AB, AE and BE, are correspondingly equal to segments of the chord CD, that is DE and CE. We have to prove that AE equal to DE, corresponding segments of the equal chords, and BE is equal to CE are equal. Let's write given. Equal chords AB and CD intersect at E. We have to prove that AE is equal to DE and BE is equal to CE. Proof. To prove this AE equal to DE and BE equal to CE, let's draw OM perpendicular to AB and ON perpendicular to CD. So draw OM perpendicular to AB and ON perpendicular to chord CD. OM and ON we have drawn perpendiculars from the center of the circle O to the equal chords AB and CD. We know that perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to a chord bisects the chord. So OM bisects AB and ON bisects CD. We know that perpendicular drawn from the center to a chord bisects the chord. Therefore, AM is equal to half AB and DN is equal to half CD. But AB is equal to CD. It is given. Therefore, AM is equal to DN, let it be number 1. AM equal to DN. Now we are going to prove triangle OME and ONE congruent. By proving triangle OME and ONE congruent, we can find ME is equal to NE. So now in triangle OME, and triangle ONE, OM equal to ON, because equal chords are equidistant from the center. So AB is equal to CD, two equal chords, so their distances from the center will be equal. So OM equal to ON. OE is equal to OE. Common side, angle OME is equal to angle ONE, 90 degree each, because OM is perpendicular to AB and ON is perpendicular to CD. So therefore triangle OME is congruent to triangle ONE by RHS congruence rule. So triangle OME is congruent to triangle ONE. Therefore ME is equal to NE, and let it be number 2, and we can give region for this as CPCT. So this way ME is equal to NE, and here we have derived AM is equal to DN. So adding 1 and 2, adding 1 and 2, we get AM plus ME is equal to DN plus NE, because equals added to equals, then wholes are equal, and AM plus ME is equal to AE equal to DN plus NE DE. So AE equal to DE we have proved. One pair of corresponding segments of chords AB and CD we have proved equal. Now we are going to prove BE is equal to CE. AE equal to DE we have proved, and AB is equal to CD. AB is equal to CD and AE equal to DE we have already proved here. So this implies that AB minus AE equal to CD minus DE, because if equals are subtracted from equals, then remainders are equal. So AB equal to CD and AE we have proved equal to DE. So AB minus AE equal to CD minus DE. AB minus AE equal to BE and CD minus DE, you can see in the figure, CD minus DE is equal to CE. So we have proved AE equal to DE and BE equal to CE, that is corresponding segments of equal chords AB and CD are equal. Hence proved. Question number 3. If two equal chords of a circle intersect within the circle, prove that the point of line joining the point of intersection to the center makes equal angles with the chords. Here in this figure, AB and CD are two equal chords intersecting within the circle at point E. Point of intersection E is joined to the center of the circle O, and we are going to prove that this EO makes equal angles with the chords AB and CD. Let's write given. AB equal to CD. We are writing the information in a little brief way. AB and CD are two equal chords and they intersect each other at E. AB and CD intersect at E. EO joined we have to prove that angle AEO is equal to angle DEO. Proof. Let us draw perpendiculars from the center O to the equal chords, say OM and ON. So let us draw OM perpendicular to chord AB and ON perpendicular to chord CD. As chords AB and CD are equal, so they are going to be equidistant from the center. AB is equal to CD, it is given, therefore OM is equal to ON. Equal chords are equidistant. Equal chords are equidistant. From the center. Now in triangle OME and ONE, we are going to prove them congruent. So in triangle OME and triangle ONE, OM is equal to ON. It is written here because AB is equal to CD, so equal chords are equidistant. Angle OME is equal to angle ONE, 90 degree each, because OM we have drawn perpendicular to AB and ON we have drawn perpendicular to CD, and OE is equal to OE common, and OE is hypotenuse of both the right triangles. So therefore triangle OME is congruent to triangle ONE, by which congruence rule? By RHS congruence rule, and therefore angle MEO is equal to angle NEO by CPCT, because they are corresponding parts of congruent triangles OME and ONE. So angle MEO and angle NEO are equal, being corresponding parts of congruent triangles. This angle MEO, we are going to write angle AEO. So this implies angle AEO is equal to angle DEO. Angle AEO and angle MEO in the figure both are same angle, only we are changing the name involving the chords AB and CD. So this proves the question, hence proved. Question number 4. If a line intersects two concentric circles with center O at points A, B, C and D, then prove that AB equal to CD. In this figure, there are two concentric circles with center O, and a line is intersecting two concentric circles at points A, B, C and D. We are to prove that AB is equal to CD. Let us draw first of all a perpendicular from the center to the line, or we can say to the chord AD or to the chord BC. Perpendicular drawn from the center to the chord AD will also be perpendicular to the chord BC of the inner circle. So first of all, let's draw OM perpendicular to the chord AD of outer circle with center O. Therefore, this OM will be perpendicular to the chord BC of inner circle also, because AD and BC are the same line. Now AD is a chord of outer circle and OM is drawn perpendicular to the chord AD, and we already know that perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to a chord bisects the chord. So therefore we know that perpendicular drawn from the center to a chord bisects the chord. And therefore AM equal to DM. Number one, because AD is a chord of outer circle, and OM is perpendicular to AD, and also BC is a chord and OM is perpendicular, so we can write BM is equal to CM. Number two, as BC is a chord of inner circle and OM is perpendicular to the chord BC. AM equal to DM and BM equal to CM. So therefore from 1 and 2 we get AM minus BM is equal to DM minus CM. If equals are subtracted from equals, then remainders are equal. And this implies AM minus BM is AB and DM minus CM is equal to CD. So this way AB equal to CD, hence proved.